Hi and welcome. On this screen you'll see a set of options for accessing SEO audit information as part of our suite of SEO tools. From here you simply select a project, the website and the crawl date. So if you've done more than one crawl, then you can select any of those crawls to see the SEO audit data. Simply click the Go button and this will take you through to the SEO audit page where you can get to see information and graphical representations of the data that we've analysed as part of our website crawl. On the Overview tab you'll see all of the information that you'd expect to see at the very top level in an SEO audit, and this is also broken down into tabs such as Content, which will show you the amount of words and images throughout the site, Indexation, which will show you the indexability of pages, Canonical information such as canonical duplication errors, the amount of words on canonical pages, and canonical issues such as missing canonical tags. On the metadata page you'll see information about meta descriptions and page titles and the errors that we've found during the crawl. On the linking page you'll find broken links and found links, follow versus no follow links, and on the technical page you'll find information about page speed, load times, and also the response and status codes that URLs return, such as whether they redirect or they're broken or they're accessible. Thanks for watching.